Welcome to the best picks. The Best Glow Racetrack is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative toys you can get for your kids. It combines the thrill of racing with the magic of glow-in-the-dark technology, creating a captivating playtime experience that will keep them entertained for hours. This video will dive into what makes a great glow-in-the-dark racetrack, helping you choose the perfect one for your little speed racers, considering factors like durability, track design, car quality, and ease of setup and cleanup. Number 5. USA Toyz Glow Trax. It's easy to connect these flexible tracks. Watch the LED cars speed along in the dark. With 360 glow-in-the-dark pieces, you can build endless raceways. Let your imagination run wild. The included LED cars and tracks light up for nighttime racing fun. Get ready for some exciting adventures. It's a great way to develop motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It's fun for kids of all ages. The tracks roll up for easy storage and travel. Take the fun anywhere you go. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it's safe for kids aged 3 and up. Enjoy hours of creative play. What we like. It boasts an extensive track system with various accessories. If you're looking for a large, versatile set with multiple cars, this is perfect. It offers endless building possibilities for imaginative play, making it ideal for kids who love to create and customize their own raceways. What people say. It's sturdy and well made along with the cars. The track is easy to pull apart and put back together. You can make separate tracks or just one big one. The set comes with one hanging bridge, 2 race cars, and uniquely designed track spheres that allow for creative racing configurations. The vibrant glow-in-the-dark feature makes it especially exciting during playtime, whether it's day or night. The track is easy to put together and the cars race around quickly. Number 4. Ontel Magic Trax. It's the gift that keeps on glowing. This 200-piece set includes 10 feet of track and a light-up race car with 6 LED lights. Get ready for hours of fun and excitement. Simply snap the pieces together to create your own custom speedway. It's so easy, even young children can do it, and it glows brightly in the dark. With its flexible design, it bends and curves in any direction you can imagine. Watch it magically transform into countless track designs. It provides hours of creative fun and educational play. Plus, it rolls up for easy storage and portability, perfect for taking on the go. It makes a fantastic birthday or holiday gift for children aged 3 and up. Use household items to build even more exciting track features. What we like. This set features a bright LED race car that illuminates the track. If you prioritize ease of setup and a visually stunning racing experience, this is the one for you. Its simple design makes it perfect for younger children or those who prefer quick setup and exciting races. What people say. It's fun, the build quality is great, was not difficult to assemble and kept them stimulated. It also glows in the dark. It's very easy to set up. Takes 3 AA batteries for the car and the kids and parents alike both love it. Easy to assemble the track, you just snap the pieces together. They are flexible so you can shape the track however you want. It does glow in the dark but the room has to be totally dark for it to work. The car itself takes 3 AAA batteries and is large and made of thick plastic. Number 3. Marble Genius Glow Marble Run. It's a 115-piece marble run set that will spark your child's creativity. Watch the marbles zoom through twists and turns, even up a tower elevator. This set includes 15 unique glow marbles. Some light up as they move, others glow beautifully in the dark, making nighttime play extra exciting. The pieces are designed to stick together easily, making assembly and disassembly a breeze. Bright colors and various shapes will inspire hours of imaginative play. Download our free app for 9 step-by-step building guides and fun challenges. It's regularly updated, so the fun never ends. It's compatible with all our accessories and sets, so you can build bigger and more complex marble runs. The possibilities are endless. What we like. It offers a unique marble run experience with glowing marbles and a focus on STEM learning. If you are looking for an educational toy that combines excitement and learning, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy problem solving and building intricate structures. What people say. Super fun, transparent marble run set. Kid loved it with all the options, had plenty of action pieces and an overkill of connector stand pieces allowing for great heights and virtually unlimited options for a 4-year-old. The marbles were the best part. Glow-in-the-dark solid ones with glowing bits inside, and ones with batteries and lights. You can watch them the whole way through and the color transparency material gets lit up as they pass. UV little flashlight is included. Entertaining and captivating marble set. The Marble Genius Marble Glow Run Racetrack has become an instant favorite in our household. My son is absolutely thrilled with this glowing track set. The vibrant colors and glow feature make it visually exciting, and the track's design allows for endless creative configurations. It's durable, easy to assemble, and provides hours of entertainment. Bought for my grandson who loves it and is happy with it, but the feature he likes the best is the light-up marbles. Number 2. Ontel Magic Trax Mega Set. Get ready for some nighttime fun. This glow-in-the-dark racetrack is perfect for kids. Watch as the LED race cars zoom around the 18-foot track. With 360 interchangeable pieces, 2 race cars, and ramp attachments, the possibilities are endless. It's easy to assemble and even easier to customize. It snaps together quickly and can be bent, looped, and flexed in countless ways. Create unique racetracks every time you play. Recommended for ages 3 and up. It's easy to store and transport thanks to its roll-up design. Each LED car requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Get ready for hours of exciting races in the dark. Ontel has been bringing innovative products to market for almost 30 years. From toys to fitness equipment, we love creating new and exciting things. What we like. This set provides an extra long track for extended playtime and 2 LED race cars for double the fun. If you need a longer track for more complex designs and prefer multiple cars, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love to build elaborate racetracks and enjoy competitive racing. What people say. It snaps together easily, and the cars just zip along it perfectly. Just put in batteries, push the button on top of the car, and put it on the tracks. We love that they glow in the dark for an extra element of fun. I ordered a set before this and wasn't happy. I found this one with extra fun things on the track, X bridge, crisscross intersection, etc. He loves it. Easy setup and he can play pretty independently with it. Number 1. Magic Trax Race Car. It's a racetrack that glows in the dark. Watch it light up and create a magical racing experience. This track is super flexible. You can bend and shape it in any way you like, creating endless track possibilities. Simply snap the pieces together to build your own custom racetrack. It's quick and easy for all ages. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This is perfect for kids who love cars and building. It provides hours of entertainment. Use it to create ramps, tunnels, and bridges. Combine it with household items for even more creative fun. With 240 pieces and a light-up race car, this set offers endless hours of imaginative play and excitement. What we like. It offers incredible 3D flexibility, allowing for truly unique track designs. If you value creativity and the ability to build complex, 3-dimensional raceways, this is the best choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy challenging themselves with intricate constructions and imaginative play. What people say. The track lights up when the cars runs through. Gave this as a gift, it was easy to put together and was made of sturdy material. The track is super easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.